Everybody, welcome back. Doing tractor work today. Got the small John Deere out here. You've seen it before. I've got to do some pasture work, getting the dead trees out. I took the truck and trailer and moved a lot of dead brush out yesterday. But I've got to get ready for the aerating and overseeding that I'm going to do next month. And for that, I'm going to use my favorite attachment. All right, so to get all this work done, I'm going to be using my favorite attachment, and probably the one thing that I use the most on this tractor, even more than I use a brush mower on the back, and that's the pallet forks. Now, these are proprietary to John Deere, so I couldn't use them with a New Holland or anything else, but they do great for what I'm working on. And as you can see, I can move 5x5 round bales with them. I'll stack a lot of square bales on them if I need to move a lot at one time. I use it to move the hay racks around. I use them in fencing. I use them to pull posts. I did a video on that. Pretty much anything that you need to do around a small farm or a homestead, you just about have to have something that you can use your tractor to pick up stuff that's too heavy for you to pick up by yourself. I use them to put bags of concrete on pallets and move those around when I'm doing a lot of fencing. It just saves my back and my shoulders. And I think if you're gonna be doing this type of work, this is probably one of the best investments you can make. This particular attachment, I think, cost me less than 600 bucks, right around $600 maybe. And you just can't beat that. Anything that you buy, the brush cutter, if you want to buy a bucket, if you want to buy an aerator, which I need to buy, all of those are going to be that much or more. And I use this attachment more than any of those. Here they come again. Every time I come out here, they think I'm going to do something for them. Well, hopefully the wind noise isn't killing all the audio. What I've got to do is I've got to come along and get the rest of this brush out of here and these pine logs. Why are y'all following me? It's nice to be loved, but it'd be better to be loved from afar at this point. So I'll get started on this, and I don't think I'll get it done today because it's going to be a lot of chainsaw work as well. So probably today and tomorrow I'll get it all up. But I'm going to get started dropping logs in the burn pit if the goats will leave me alone long enough to let me work. Now, a lot of the stuff is so rotten I can pick most of it up by hand, and I will stack some extra on there, but the bigger logs in there that have not been down that long, they still weigh a lot. All right, well, I got most of the bigger logs off the outside here and a lot of the brush that I'd cut down. I'm gonna come back in here with a flatbed trailer. It's just easier to load the brush on it and then go dump it all at one time. But this is the problem I'm running into, is we're getting pine beetles. They're just killing these trees at an amazing rate. So I'm having issues with them falling from the neighbor's side and from my side. So I've got to cut the rest of these down, cut them up, get them out with the tractor. And some of them are really big. I mean, these are some good sized pines, but the predominant wind would push them towards the pasture. So it's just a matter of picking a day and probably cutting 5 or 6 at a time until I can get them all out of here. All right, well, I got part of what I wanted to done today, but I do have other stuff I've got to get done in town. So I'm going to call it right here. Until next time, thanks for watching. You're back. There's just no escaping them.